In this video, you'll learn how to get your Binance ID number, also known as your UID. This process is straightforward and can be completed within the Binance app or website. By following these steps, you will be able to locate and copy your unique identifier for various uses within the platform. Start by opening the Binance app on your mobile device. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, tap the Account Center or profile icon, typically located at the top left corner of the screen. In most app layouts, this action will direct you to your account overview screen, which displays essential account information. It is important to remain on this initial account page where your nickname is prominently shown. On the Account Center screen, look closely above or near your nickname. You should see a number labeled as user ID. This number is your Binance ID and is crucial for various transactions. If the UID is not immediately visible, gently scroll up or down on the same page. Be careful not to confuse this number with the Binance Pay ID or any referral IDs, as they serve different purposes. If a copy button is available next to the UID, you can use it to easily copy the number for later use. Once you have located your UID, tap on it if there is a copy icon. This action will copy the number to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever necessary for internal transfers or support requests. If you are using the Binance website on a desktop, navigate to your profile, then select Dashboard, where you will find the user ID at the top section of the page. In the event that the UID is not visible, consider switching to Pro mode within the app for better access to your account details. It is essential to ensure that you have a reliable internet connection while performing these steps, as slow connections may affect loading times. Additionally, if you're working with multiple accounts or require further assistance, having your UID handy can simplify support interactions. Remember that no extra setup is required once you have successfully copied your UID. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.